With spring literally just around the corner, stocks like Firefly Aerospace are warming up market sentiment with some impressive moves. Firefly, in particular, rocketed onto many investor radars after successfully launching its Alpha Flight 7 Stairway to 7 mission from Vandenberg Space Force Base. The Alpha rocket completed orbital insertion and delivered a demonstrator payload for Lockheed Martin. The mission also validated key upgrades for the rocket's upcoming Block 2 configuration, including a new in-house avionics suite and improved thermal protection system. At the same time, the launch demonstrated a successful second-stage engine relight. Firefly executives said the mission confirmed the reliability of the Alpha rocket ahead of Flight 8, which will introduce the full Block 2 upgrade. Planned improvements include a rocket that is 7 feet longer, stronger carbon composite structures manufactured with automated processes, consolidated batteries and avionics produced internally, and upgraded thermal protection. Away from the literal launch pad, another stock to pay attention to is Ondas, which is fueling excitement as it begins work with Palantir and Worldview Enterprises to build what's being called an AI-enabled intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance system spanning multiple platforms. The collaboration will combine Palantir's AI platform with Worldview's Stratolite high-altitude balloon systems and Ondas, autonomous aerial and ground robotics. The goal is to create an integrated, multi-domain intelligence architecture for defense and security missions. To be more exact, attention is focused on components like warp speed, which will connect supply chain, engineering, and manufacturing data to support production scaling. AI Flight Director will integrate atmospheric data and telemetry into mission planning systems. Skyweaver will enable edge computing so that data processing and AI models can run directly on airborne platforms. Work on Worldview's systems has already begun, with integration across Ondas' broader technology portfolio expected in late 2026. Company leaders say the platform aims to deliver actionable decisions for operators rather than simply raw intelligence data. In the electric vehicle sector, Rivian announced pricing and rollout plans for its upcoming R2 midsize electric SUV, which is intended to reach a broader consumer market. Deliveries of the Performance Launch Edition will begin in spring 2026 at about $57,990. A premium trim starting at $53,990 will follow later in 2026, while a standard rear-wheel drive model starting at $48,490 will arrive in 2027. Rivian also plans a lower-cost variant around $45,000, with more than 275 miles of range by late 2027. The performance model will feature 656 horsepower, dual-motor all-wheel drive, and about 330 miles of range, positioning it to compete with Tesla's Model Y. The R2 includes built-in hardware for Rivian's autonomy plus driver assistance system, available via subscription or a one-time purchase. Rivian expects the R2 platform to significantly boost deliveries and expand its customer base, although analysts warn that policy changes, such as the removal of EV tax credits and tariffs on auto parts, could raise prices and slow adoption. Despite those risks, Rivian reports more than 100,000 reservations for the R2. Although the R2 might not be everyone's cup of tea, what is worth ordering is TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.